Welcome to Process Prime Channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
से कितनी कीमती स्पूसर वैरायटियां ही ज्ञापन करते हैं जेती आसिम पर करने हुए ज्ञान जोते हैं रोचित का वैतक की बे अर्गी से
Cubes exit the tumbler onto a vibrating drainage screen conveyor. Excess liquid drains through the mesh while the vibration prevents cubes from sticking together. Containers proceed through a metal detection tunnel. An alarm sounds if metal is detected. The worker removes the flagged container. The sensitive metal detector identifies any metal contamination that could have entered during processing. An alarm sounds.
Quality control is our top priority. Every package must be perfect.
Agreed. Attention to detail. Workers continue stacking boxes in alternating patterns, rotating each layer 90 degrees from the previous layer. This creates a stable load that won't shift.
Make sure this one goes with order 47B. Got it, order 47B. Next one after this. Careful with that pallet.
All right, she's backing in now. She's backing in now. Get ready.
Tập năm sạp thiệp thìm kinh cồn sàn này khảm. Xin nạp ren tem kim thăm sẵn chàm tên thêm nhập sàng đa sàng thang. Sơn thang thùng thang buồn thêm tên thùng thang.
Each premium whole papaya receives an individual protective foam net sleeve. Workers slip the elastic netting.
The display boxes are specially designed with ventilation holes and attractive exterior printing. Workers arrange 6 whole papayas in each box. This automatic machine applies perforated cardboard lids to display boxes. The lids snap into place securely. Approved display boxes are grouped and placed into larger master cartons for shipping. Each master carton holds 4 display boxes.
The master cartons are sealed using tape with the factory's logo. Workers apply tape to both top and
All right, this pallet of premium whole papaya is properly wrapped and tagged. Scanning it into cold storage now. Approved.
Excellent. All batches meet or exceed specifications. Approved for shipment.
Route 7 is clear. Over.
Confirming shipment to Dallas.
ETA 3 p.m.
Okay, team, and night shift is a go. We have a target of 1,500 units for papaya processing. Special order 30.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.